welcome you to my yoga channel, that is Sant Yoga. In this channel, we will learn and see how yoga can be useful for our life. योग का हमारी ज़िंदगी में क्या महत्व हो सकता है और ये हमारी ज़िंदगी को कैसे अच्छा बना सकता है। ये सब चीज़ें हम इस चैनल में देखेंगे, जिसका कि नाम है Sant Yoga. And please understand, whatever knowledge I am sharing in this channel is my understanding about the yoga, about the overall what I experience in my life. So that is what we will be talking about. So let us together work and improve our lifestyle. Let us continue. Before moving forward, let us see that the feedback I received in my previous video. So one feedback from Ujjwal saying very profound and technically really good. Technique is really good. So thank you Ujjwal, thank you for your kind words. Another feedback from him is it is easily understood and keep uploading. Thank you, I will do so. And the next feedback from him itself is it was very useful and explanation was lucid manner. So it was very good explanation, that way I understand. So thank you Ujjwal, please keep posting your views and comment and about the improvement. Thank you for your all these kind words. Another feedback is from Sangeeta Sharma, that is बहुत ही अच्छा, means very good, thank you. Another feedback is from A.C. Kirantika, that is बहुत ही अच्छी जानकारी, means she is saying that is very good information, thank you. Then another feedback is from the Keep Calm Meditate, that they are saying that it is beautiful, so thank you for your kind word. And another feedback from Natural Mind Bliss Music, so excellent man, thank you all for your kind words, thank you. You will learn about the warm-up, mainly why warm-up is needed. Basically, if there is pain in the muscle, so because of pain we will not able to do various movement of the body. So that pain may be because of sprain, or maybe muscle is not enough flexible to take the movement or take the load, or maybe pain in the joints, that may be because of air trapped inside the joint. So warm-up help to release the air trap in the joint and release the sprain in the muscle by improving the blood circulation and airflow. So we can use muscles and we can do the exercise of particular muscle, and also this helps to smooth movement of the body in different posture. So I will be showing one video and we will see how to do. Now we'll see how to do warm-up before preparation for the exercise. Hand, stretch, down, up, down, stretch, complete stretching for the muscles and for the joint. Stretch, okay, relax, and now we'll close our fist forcefully. This is very useful exercise for the people, those who are continuously working on the computer and using the keyboard, so to release their veins and do the exercise for the veins. This is very effective and useful exercise. Now we'll do for the wrist, our wrist joint. So keep your hand like this and rotate in one direction, rotate with stretching, then opposite direction, okay. This releases the stress in the wrist joint, okay. Now we'll do for the elbow joint. Hand like this, and from the near your body bring it down, complete rotation. So you can see our elbow joint is completely rotating hand from up to down and in opposite direction. So complete stretching and relaxation of elbow joint. Now we'll do for the shoulders. So first relax your hand by lifting, stretching, okay, and moving freely your hand. Relax. Then keep your hand on your shoulder, your fingers like this in the shoulder, and the stretch upside, stretch maximum upside, and from the back side bring it down, and from front it is bring it, move it up. So while coming down, breathe out, exhale. While going up, breathe in, inhale. So this exhale and inhale should be with sound. So make sound like while breathing in, breathe out, breathe in, okay, and breathe out. So while going up, breathe in with sound, and coming down, breathe out with sound. So complete shoulder stretching and exercise, and relax your hand in between. Now both the hand rotation in the same direction, okay, rotate in same direction, rotate for relaxation of complete hand and shoulder. Now in opposite direction, opposite, this releases the complete stress and strain in the shoulder and back bone of the shoulder. Now we'll do exercise for our mind, for left and right mind coordination. So as we know, right mind controls left body and left mind controls the right body. So we'll move both the hand in different direction, and our mind will give different command to both the hand together, and we have to move. So right hand down, left hand up, and rotate and join, rotate and join, rotate again and join. So that way our mind gives different command to our body part at the same time, so we have to execute. So this improves the coordination between mind, left and right mind. Very good exercise for the left and right mind. In upcoming video I will explain more about the mind related exercise. So this is just to warm up, so that here only this warm up exercise for the mind will do. So one hand rotation in other direction, other hand in different direction. Okay, so this requires some practice. Okay, good. So you are able to do good, 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 good. Okay. So this improves the coordination between left and right mind. Very simple but very effective. So try one hand in other direction, other hand in opposite direction. Okay. So this is done with the mind exercise, coordination with right and left mind. Now we will do exercise for the neck. Okay. So neck exercise very carefully. We have to stretch maximum down, maximum up. Keep your eyes open while doing the neck exercise. Ensure that you keep your eyes open, and movement should be very slow and smooth. Do only that much you can do easily. Don't stretch. Okay. Similarly, sideways. Identify some point on the side walls and see the point again and again. Slow and smooth. Don't stretch more. This is very simple, but if you do not do correctly, then this can create some problem. So very carefully, looks very simple, but very carefully we have to do. Okay, Now rotation, down, then right, up, left, down, rotate. Smooth movement, carefully, smooth. Keep your eyes open, that is must. If you close your eyes, there might be chances that you can feel the giddiness. And in opposite direction also same. Okay, good, good. Yes. Now we will do exercise for our eyes. Okay, so focus on our eyes. So eye movement, up and down, up and down, up, down. Identify some point on the upside and down, and repeatedly see the same point again and again. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So when you have strain in your eyes, you can close your eyes forcefully and release. Close forcefully and release. Okay, close and release. Okay, now sideways, side. Okay, left, right, left. Fix one point on your side wall or side and see the same point again and again. Focus on that point. So you have to turn left and focus on the point, right and focus the point. So that improves the eyesight. This is considered very good exercise for improving the eyesight. So if you practice this exercise regularly, there is high chances that you can reduce your eye power and your sight will improve. Okay, now diagonal movement. We'll do eye movement diagonal. So right up, left down, right up, left down, right up, left down. Same thing repeat. So this improves the eyesight. Okay, straight, and when strain, then close your eyes forcefully and release. Close and release. Okay, now opposite, diagonally opposite. Same thing. Okay, good, good. Close your eyes forcefully and release. Close and release. Okay. Now eye rotation. So rotate your eyes up, side, down, left, up. So rotate, and while rotation, make a big circle around your face, and in opposite direction also. Same, make a big circle around your face without moving your head. You have to do this one. This exercise is for the eyes. Okay, and finally close your eyes forcefully and release. Close forcefully and release. Okay, so this is about the eye exercise. Now we'll go for some hard warm-up. Hard warm-up means very more fast and quick exercise will be there for the more cardio activity. Okay, so we'll turn, okay, and bend forward and stretch your back. So bending should be from the hip. Stretch your back, stretch, swing and stretch alternatively. One time right hand up, next time left hand up. So alternately hand up and down and swing, and when going down breathe out, while coming up breathe in. So this we should do with breathe sound. So like this sound should come when we are doing this. Next is touching and standing up. Okay, so back, front, back and up, and bend backward and stretch. While coming down breathe out with sound, while going up breathe in with sound. Back, front, back and up. Stretch. Okay, now this completes our back stretching. So now along with back stretching, complete body stretching. So we'll spread our leg. Okay, spread your hand sideways, and from your right side touch your left feet, and left hand touch your right feet. Okay, so you have to stand, touch and stand, and then touch the next foot. Okay, touch, stand, touch, stand, touch, stand, like this. Okay, now bend forward. Okay, and same way spread your hand sideways and touch right hand to left foot, left hand to right foot. So while this touching, our body should also twist, our face should also turn towards upside, because this is complete twisting. Okay, so stretch your, spread your hand and complete neck twisting. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so complete warm up. Okay, now we'll do some more warm up. Okay, so more warm up means we'll do running in our same place. Okay, so running means slowly start running, slowly in the same place. Start slow, slowly, slow, slow, then fast, fast, fast. Slowly increase the speed and fast, 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 fast. Okay, and then bring your thigh to your hip level and touch your hand and make the sound. Okay, and then jump, 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 jump. So this completes our hard warm up. Now deep breathing. To give all the maximum air, deep breathing. Take your support on your knee, bend your knee little bit, hand on the knee. With deep breath, open your mouth, deep breathe from nose and breathe out from mouth, like so. This breathing gives the required oxygen and air to our body, and quickly we can feel our body regain the normal situation. Thank you all. With this we are at the end of our this video, and thank you for being for such a long time with me. And this was my first video about the warm-up, so I will keep making more video on the warm-up and with details of each step. Okay, so if you want and if you want something specific, then please comment below, and also if you need any help and support, please let me know. With this, thank you, and as usual, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family so that they can also get the benefit of yoga, and Also share and subscribe. Thank you. With this, namaste and pranam.